Oh no, I think someone is coming. What should I say?
Don't worry, Alex. Today, you'll learn how to have a friendly conversation with a new neighbor.
That's great, but I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Really?
Of course. Let's practice together. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident.
I hope so.
Let's imagine you're meeting your new neighbor for the first time. What would you say?
Hello, my name Alex.
Good try. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Alex.
Hello, my name is Alex.
Excellent. Don't forget the word is.
Hello, my name is Alex.
Perfect. Now add something friendly.
Nice to meet you.
Wonderful. Let's put it together.
Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
That's natural and polite.
I already feel better.
Great. Now it's your turn, everyone. Pause the video and say, hello, my name is, then say your own name.
I'll practice too. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
What if my neighbor says, welcome to the neighborhood?
That's a very common expression.
What does neighborhood mean?
A neighborhood is the area where people live.
Oh, so this is my new neighborhood.
Exactly.
Then I can say thank you.
Yes, that's polite.
Thank you.
Let's make it a little longer.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Fantastic.
Is that natural?
Very natural.
Sometimes I don't know what to ask next.
That's okay. Here are some easy questions. Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Great.
What if someone asks me first?
You can simply answer, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Excellent. Now, another question. How long have you lived here?
I moved here yesterday.
Very good.
Yesterday.
Exactly.
Can I ask that question too?
Absolutely.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 3 years.
3 years.
Good pronunciation.
3 years.
Excellent. Quick listening practice. Listen carefully. I've lived here for 3 years. How long have I lived here?
3 years.
That's right. Everyone watching, did you get the answer?
I hope you did.
Let's continue.
What else can I ask?
You can ask, do you like living here?
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and friendly.
Quiet.
Quiet means there isn't much noise.
Quiet.
Friendly means the people are kind.
Friendly.
Great job.
Then I can say, I'm happy to hear that.
Perfect English.
I'm learning.
Yes, you are.
Sometimes I forget words.
That's completely normal.
Really?
Yes, learning English takes practice.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Never be afraid to make mistakes.
I'll remember that.
Let's learn another useful expression.
I'm ready.
What do you do?
What do you do?
This means, what's your job?
Oh,
Let's practice.
what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Nice.
Now you answer. What do you do?
I'm looking for a job.
Excellent answer.
Is that common?
Very common.
I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. Quiz time. Which sentence is correct? A, my name is Alex. B, my name is Alex.
I know. The correct answer is B.
Excellent. Another one. Which sentence sounds more natural? Thank you, or thank you, I'm happy to be here.
The second one.
Correct.
Because it sounds warmer.
Exactly.
English is becoming easier.
That's because you're practicing.
Practice really helps.
It certainly does.
Can we try a complete conversation?
Absolutely.
Hello, my name is Alex.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
How long have you lived here?
I moved here yesterday.
Do you like the neighborhood so far?
Yes, everyone seems very friendly.
That's a fantastic conversation.
I can't believe I just did that.
And you did it confidently.
I think our viewers can do it too.
Absolutely. If you're watching, say the conversation with Alex. Repeat each sentence slowly and clearly.
Keep practicing every day.
In the next part of this lesson, we'll learn even more natural small talk expressions, how to keep a conversation going, and how to sound more confident when meeting new people. Let's continue our conversation.
Great. I want to learn how to keep the conversation going.
That's an important skill. You don't need difficult English. You only need simple questions and friendly answers.
That sounds easy.
It is. Let's practice.
Okay.
You can ask, how are you finding the neighborhood?
How are you finding the neighborhood?
This question means, what do you think about the neighborhood?
Oh, it doesn't mean I'm looking for it.
Exactly. That's a common mistake.
How are you finding the neighborhood?
I'm really enjoying it. The people are kind and the parks are beautiful.
I'm really enjoying it.
Excellent.
I like the parks too.
Great. That's a natural response.
What if I don't like something?
You can still be polite.
How?
You can say, it's nice, but I'm still getting used to it.
Getting used to it.
That means you are slowly becoming comfortable with something new.
I'm still getting used to the city.
Perfect.
I think I'll use that sentence often.
I think so too.
Sometimes there is an awkward silence.
That happens to everyone.
What should I do?
Ask another simple question.
Like what?
You can ask, are there any good restaurants nearby?
Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, there are several nice restaurants nearby.
Nearby?
Nearby means not far away.
Nearby.
Excellent pronunciation.
Then I can ask, which one do you recommend?
That's an excellent question.
Which one do you recommend?
I recommend the small cafe on Green Street.
I recommend.
We use recommend when we suggest something.
I recommend this English lesson.
I love that answer.
I hope our viewers do too.
I'm sure they will. Now let's practice pronunciation.
I'm ready.
Repeat after me. Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Recommend.
Recommend.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very good. Remember, don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly.
Speaking slowly helps me.
It helps everyone.
Even native speakers?
Yes, clear speech is always better than fast speech.
That's good to know.
Listening challenge.
I like these challenges.
Listen carefully. I'm still getting used to the neighborhood, but everyone has been very kind. Why is the person happy?
Because everyone has been kind.
Correct! Everyone watching, did you hear the answer before Alex?
If you did, you're improving your listening skills.
Let's continue.
Can we talk about hobbies?
Of course, hobbies are great conversation starters.
What should I ask?
Ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and going for walks.
Going for walks.
Yes, that's a very common expression.
I like watching football.
Great!
I also enjoy learning English.
Fantastic answer.
What about you?
I enjoy helping people learn English.
That's why you're such a good teacher.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Here's another useful expression.
I'm listening.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
You can say this when someone tells you something new.
That's interesting.
Then ask another question.
Can you give me an example?
Certainly. I enjoy gardening.
That's interesting. How long have you been gardening?
I've been gardening for 5 years.
I see how the conversation continues.
Exactly. One answer leads to another question.
That makes conversations feel natural.
That's the secret of good small talk.
Ask, listen, ask again.
Perfect summary.
Time for another quiz?
Yes. Which question is better for meeting a new neighbor? What do you like to do in your free time? Or, how much money do you make?
The first one.
Absolutely.
The second question is too personal.
Exactly. Friendly conversation should begin with safe topics.
Like hobbies,
Yes.
the neighborhood,
Correct.
the weather,
Good.
food,
Excellent.
and work.
Perfect.
I think I'm becoming more confident.
I can hear the difference in your English.
Really?
Yes. Your sentences are smoother and you're speaking with more confidence.
That makes me happy.
You should be proud of your progress.
And our viewers should be proud too.
Absolutely. Every conversation you practice makes your English stronger.
Let's do one more role play.
Great idea. Hello.
My name is Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
How are you finding the neighborhood?
I'm really enjoying it, but I'm still getting used to everything.
That's completely normal.
Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, I recommend the cafe on Green Street.
That's interesting. I'll visit it this weekend.
I think you'll enjoy it.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and walking in the park.
Me too. Maybe I'll visit the park soon.
That's a wonderful idea.
I think I can have a real conversation now.
Yes, you can. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll become more confident every day.
I never thought small talk could be this useful.
It really is. Small conversations often become good friendships.
That's encouraging.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need confidence and practice.
I'll remember that.
Let's learn a few more expressions that native speakers use every day.
I'm ready.
If someone says something nice, you can reply, "That's good to hear."
That's good to hear.
Excellent.
Can we use it in a conversation?
Of course. I finally unpacked all my boxes.
That's good to hear.
Perfect.
What's another expression?
You can say, "That sounds nice."
That sounds nice.
Let's practice. I'm going to visit the park this evening.
That sounds nice.
Excellent.
These expressions are easy to remember.
That's why they're so useful.
Sometimes I don't understand every word someone says.
That's completely okay.
What should I do?
Never pretend you understand.
Really?
Yes, instead, ask politely.
How?
You can say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please?
Very polite.
What if they speak too fast?
Then say, "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?"
Could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Wonderful.
I think that sentence will help me a lot.
It will. Most people are happy to speak more slowly when you ask politely.
That's good to know.
Let's practice listening again.
Okay.
Listen carefully. I enjoy living here because the neighbors are friendly and the streets are quiet. Why does the person enjoy living there?
Because the neighbors are friendly and the streets are quiet.
Excellent. Everyone watching, did you hear both reasons?
If you did, well done.
Now let's practice speaking together.
I like this part.
Repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
I'm still getting used to it.
I'm still getting used to it.
That's good to hear.
That's good to hear.
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Excellent pronunciation.
I'm speaking more clearly now.
Yes, you are.
Let's have one final conversation.
Great idea.
Hello, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. I'm excited to live here.
That's good to hear.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
How are you finding the neighborhood?
I still enjoy it very much. The people are friendly, and it's a peaceful place.
That sounds nice.
It really is.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, cooking, and walking in the park.
I like walking too.
Maybe you'll discover your favorite place in the neighborhood soon.
I hope so.
I'm sure you will.
If I don't understand something, I'll ask politely.
Exactly.
Could you say that again, please?
Perfect.
Could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Excellent.
I feel much more confident than I did at the beginning of this lesson.
And that's wonderful to hear.
Today, I learned how to introduce myself,
Yes,
how to ask simple questions,
that's right.
how to continue a conversation,
Excellent.
and how to ask someone to repeat or speak more slowly.
You've learned a lot today.
I think our viewers have learned a lot too.
I believe so. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
I'll keep practicing every day.
That's the best way to improve your English.
Friends, don't be afraid to speak.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Every conversation makes you stronger.
Every new word brings you closer to speaking English with confidence.
I can't wait for our next lesson.
Me too.
What will we learn next?
In our next episode, we'll practice one of the most useful everyday skills, ordering food and drinks at a cafe using simple, natural English.
That sounds exciting.
It will be fun, practical, and perfect for beginners.
I'll see you there.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember,
Speak English with confidence.
one conversation at a time.